I just got Apple's California Poppy MagSafe Leather Case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm usually not someone that likes to use a case. I love the look and feel of using the phone on its own. But over the course of using the phone, you have to put it down on any number of surfaces. And with the frosted glass back of the 11 Pro and now the 12 Pro, I get a little bit nervous when I put it down on hard, rough surfaces, like concrete or sidewalk. Having the case on it gives me that peace of mind that I can set it down on whatever surface I need to. Opening the retail packaging, you get a very satisfying clicking noise. Very satisfying click. In the lining of the case, Apple reminds us that this is indeed a MagSafe compatible product. Putting on the case, we get another satisfying click, followed by an on-screen MagSafe ring, color matched to the California Poppy finish. I really appreciate how low profile this case is. It doesn't affect my ability to use the phone, or reach my thumb across the screen, which is especially important on a large phone like the Pro Max. With the squared off edges of the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, the only thing you really see from the front is the screen. You do start to see some of the metal frame, but it's not until we get around back that we really see how the color of the phone matches with the case. The firm but pleasing leather texture and the vibrant yellow-orange play really elegantly off of the smooth Pacific blue glass. We start to see this thicker lip around the camera bump. While I'm happy that this protects the lenses, it creates an unfortunate wobble when putting the case down on a flat surface, especially noticeable in that one corner. Wobbles aside, this is a really nicely designed case. Apple's leather cases have these metallic pass-through buttons that are really nice and clicky, just as clicky as the phone itself. Despite a long history of enjoying MagSafe on other Apple devices, I don't actually know that I'm going to get the MagSafe charging accessories for the iPhone. The case does allow the phone to work seamlessly with my existing Qi wireless charger. Overall, the crisp finishing touches like the nice leather texture, vibrant color, low-profile design, and clicky buttons make it a lot easier to embrace the case. And as somebody who usually likes to use the bare phone on its own, those touches go a long way to making the MagSafe leather case and the California Poppy finish an excellent complement to the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max. Hey there, I'm Peter, and I really enjoy making videos like this. But it's even better when I know people actually enjoy watching them too. So if you want to see more reviews or deep dives into Apple products just like this, let me know by giving this a like or subscribe. Thanks.